Welcome back, guys. So let's write few the block elements and inline elements. So here is this paragraph, and I would like to add here the uh, inline element. If we see here, this is the span text. Right now there is no effect on it here. I would like to show you here another inline element. Here it is, and if you see here, now this is a um, reference link is here built like this. You can add the inline elements. Let's move to the some uh, block level elements. First, and here it is the second, this is third. If you see here, this is like first, second and third. And another we can try the just change the one block element. This is the just nodes, change the UL and see the difference here. Okay, and also another block level element, that is table, and here we can, there is a table head and table body. In table head we can create TR, and here T head, name, head, email, ID. Here in T body, TR, and here we need to create the TD, Maxwell, and other TD, John at .com. Here ID is 1. Let's save it and then see here name, email and ID. So it looks like this way. So this way you can add the inline elements and block level elements in the HTML code. Thank you guys. I'll be back with next lecture.